everyone, back with another off-campus drive. This is a call for all software engineers. So the off-campus drive is from JMan Digital Services. If you don't know about this particular company, you can just go through this particular paragraph, or else they have been providing you the link here. I'll be giving you all the links in the description box, so don't worry about that. You can get through it easily. And coming to the job description, the job role is software engineer. You're going to work as a software engineer. The job type is a full-time employment. This is not an internship. This is an full-time employment. Coming to the CTC, or the salary that they are going to provide you, is 3.5 LPA. If you work 30 months in this particular organization, they are going to provide you 2 lakh rupees as an loyalty bonus. This is a great point, guys. Coming to the eligibility criteria, which is most important, you need to be from the batch year 2019, 20 and 21 batches. Coming to the next degree that you need to have is BE BTech or BSc, ME MTech or MCA will be eligible. With the streams CS or IS or IT will be eligible for this particular off-campus drive. Mainly they are focusing on computer science based degree candidates for this particular off-campus drive. If you have 60% or above in the graduation 10th and 12th, then you are eligible. You need to have 60% in your 10th, 12th and your graduation. Coming to the job location is Chennai. The service bond that they are going to give you is you need to work for 24 months, which is 2 years in this particular company without any breaking the contract. If you break the contract, you need to pay for them for rupees 2 lakhs. Coming to the skills required, that they are requiring the skills like good programming languages and fluency in English, both in written as well as spoken. Okay, if you have strong programming language, it is must needed. If you have any one particular language, then you can just survive in this particular company. Either it could be Java, Python, Perl, C#, Node, AngularJS, SQL. This is fine. If you have any one particular language skills, then it is super fine. Coming to the roles and responsibilities, the same thing as the skills required. You need to have strong syntax knowledge in either of the one language. And coming to the next one, you need to have at least object-oriented design knowledge, algorithm design, data structures, problem solving, complexity analysis. As I have said, they are mainly focusing on computer science background candidates. You must know all these things. Okay, coming to the selection process, you need to have like every round is an elimination round, so you must focus on every round. First round is an online test. If you qualify in this, you will be getting to know the details of technical interview. If you get qualified in technical interview, then you will be getting to know about HR discussion. Coming to the important guidelines that they given you is online test date and time will be updated to the registered candidates. I'll be giving you the application form in the description box. If you meet the eligibility criteria on this video, then please go ahead and apply for this particular thing. So the date and time will be updated to the registered candidates. So don't worry, you will be getting via your register email. Coming to the next one, after the online test, if you are shortlisted, then you will be getting your further online interview process. If you are not shortlisted, you will not get any particular information from the company. And then coming to the next one is candidates should be available for immediate joining. So make sure you are going to be joining immediately without any delay. Coming to the registration process, I will be giving you this particular link in the description box. So the registration is as simple as such. You just enter your email and then verify it. But before verifying it, you cannot enter any of your details. Just make sure you are going to enter your email and then verify it. Give your name, state, city, contact number, college name, and all other graduation percentages, 10th, 12th percentage. If you have any internship experience or work experience, you give it. If you don't have any other experiences, just say no. Okay, and then give your today's date. Whenever you apply, just give it today's date and then click on submit. Just click on this checkbox and then submit it. Your application form will be registered and your candidate will be registered, so that you will be getting all further details like exam details to your particular registered email ID. So that's all for this company. For this video, if you do like this video, please do like, share and subscribe to my channel. Bye bye.